Hey everybody, welcome to here I am, another little quick video in the midst of the production of some pretty big stuff. Just wanted to say, remember a couple months ago whenever I released a video talking about the Conlang Database project? And at the time they were just getting started, and it was basically a Google spreadsheet that I was asking people to fill out, and I said that they were going to get themselves onto conlang.org, like the LCS website. Well, that time has come. They have their website. They have the site database.conlang.org. It exists, it's official, it's on the website. I have been appointed as one of the organizers, which means that I'm one of the people who can like approve or reject languages to the list or whatever, like I guess like rejecting trolls and stuff. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go onto the site, onto database.conlang.org, and we are going to look up a couple languages, and we are going to add on HyperPirate. So let's do that. And just a little side note, if you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, my goal is to get to 2,000 subscribers. I don't know, the 2-year anniversary of the channel, which is like September 1st or something like that. Anyway, let's do this. Alright, so here it is, database.conlang.org. Here it is, the Conlang Database, a database which aims to build a searchable list of all conlangs of which we can find evidence. It takes you to a search page or an add a conlang page, and if you want to sign up to become a volunteer, then you can sign up over there. You can contact Matt McVie or anybody else. So the first step, we're gonna go to the search page, and then kaboom! Look, there's a bunch of search categories, and then there's just a big old list of languages here. Big old list of languages, like a lot of languages, like a lot of languages. So like for example, if I search up like my name, if I search up Agma Schwa, let's see if it comes up. Yep, there they are, right? Typed in my name, then we got Autojune, Pitham, and Rabid. So that is quite cool. You could also search up just by the name, like if you wanted to search like, oh, Autojune, then look at that. There's Autojune right there. If I wanted to search up languages made by, I don't know, like Artifexian. Let's see, what does Artifexian have on here? So far just OA. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice? Next, how do you add a language? Because this is supposed to be for anybody to add their languages. Let's go to the add page, right? So if you go to database.conlang.org and then go to add in the conlang. Okay, so international names, native names, registry code, creators, links, start year, scripts, language groups. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Obviously, this was not able to happen on a Google Sheet. But yeah, so you can type in, well, you can just basically select every type of language on here that fits the category. Vocab, source, a priori, posteriori, mixture, other, blah, blah, blah. Development level. Look at that. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this for HyperPirate real quick. International name, HyperPirate. Alright, native name. Beautiful. Creators, me and Eternal. There we go, got all of his Eternal symbols in there. Alright, then links. Alright, so now we need to go to nga.org. Look at that, nga.org, HyperPirate, physical modes. Oh god, what can I even call HyperPirate speech and writing? We will for now. This is totally a joke lang. Because of the Minecraft server, it's technically a Conworld lang. Development level, we're gonna call it learners, god damn it. Nobody's gonna learn this. I dare you to learn it. Considerable development. Everything's good. And submit. And there you go. Once your edit has been manually approved, it will appear in the database. The only reason it would get denied is if it's like obviously trolling or spamming. And I mean, HyperPirate, I don't know. But still, you get the point. That's pretty much it. I just really wanted to show that the Conlang database has achieved their main goal. Obviously, they want to grow and expand the list and get more people to sign up. That's why I'm making this video. You should all go on there and you should submit some more of your languages to this list. Perfectly innocuous, really cool, glad that it exists. That's pretty much it. Just a quick video for today. And yes, it was released on Thursday instead of a Tuesday, which I know, absolute treason. How dare I? How dare I? No, I made a poll and I asked, and literally like 95% of you said that you did not care at all what day I released videos. I'm a person who very much likes to stick to schedules, but Tuesday has become a very inconvenient day for me to release videos because I'm always working on Tuesdays and on Mondays, blah blah blah, etc. Thursday might become gradually my new video release day. Whatever. Let's do it. Thanks everybody for watching. Go on the Conlang Database, put some languages in there, sign up to be a volunteer for them. Subscribe to me. Let's get to 2,000 and join the Discord server. We have a good time on there. Alrighty, everybody. See you next time. Nga is out. Bye-bye.